Hi viewers, this is Vaishnavi from grade 11. I am here to take a few topics on fundamentals of organic chemistry. Let's see an intro on organic chemistry. Do you know what is meant by organic chemistry? It is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon compounds. Organic means derived from living organisms. Only living organisms contain organic compounds. Carbon exists catenation. Characteristics of organic compounds. All organic compounds are covalent in nature. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. They are inflammable except CCCl4. Due to their covalent nature, they possess low boiling and melting point. They are characterized by functional group. They exhibit isomerism. Isomerism means different compounds containing same molecular formula but differ in their physical and chemical properties. They exhibit homologous series. Let's see what is meant by homologous series. Homologous series means compounds having same general formula. There are three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. The successive groups differ by a CH2 group. They can be prepared by general methods. They show regular gradation in physical properties. They have almost same chemical properties. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. Example is methane, ethane. Alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Example is ethine and propine. Alkene is CnH2n. Examples is ethane and propene. Functional group. Functional group determine the chemical behavior of the compound. They are part of the compound that reacts with another compound is called functional group. Let's see a few examples for functional group. Alkene, suffix or prefix to be used is -ene. Example is ethene. Alkyne, suffix or prefix to be used is -ine. Example is ethyne. Alcohol, suffix or prefix to be used is -al. Example is methanol. Ether, suffix or prefix to be used is ether. Example dimethyl ether. Haloalkane, suffix or prefix to be used is halo. Example is chloromethane. Methyl or methyl chloride. Amine, suffix or prefix to be used is amine. Example is ethylene amine. Aldehyde, suffix or prefix to be used is al. Example is ethanol. Ketone, suffix or prefix to be used is -on. Example is 2-propanone. Carboxylic acid, suffix or prefix to be used is oic acid. Example is ethanoic acid. Ester, suffix or prefix to be used is -ot. Example is methyl ethanol. Amide, suffix or prefix to be used is amide. Example is ethamide. Let's see classification of organic compounds. It is classified into two: acyclic or open chain or aliphatic compounds. Example is propane. Another one is cyclic compounds. Example is benzene, which obeys Huckel rule. It is cyclic compounds is further classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic means same atoms in a compound. Example benzene. Heterocyclic, other than carbon is known as homocyclic compounds. Example pyridine. Homocyclic is further classified into two: alicyclic compound and aromatic compound. For alicyclic compound, example is cyclopropane. Aromatic compound is further classified into two: benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Example for benzenoid compound is phenol and non-benzenoid is azulene. Heterocyclic compounds is further classified into two: alicyclic compound and aromatic compound. Example is THF. Aromatic compounds example is pyridine. Let's see what is meant by acyclic or open chain compounds. Aliphatic compounds, it is otherwise known as aliphatic compounds. They have branched or straight chains. The examples are acetaldehyde, isobutane, ethane. Alicyclic or closed chain compounds or ring chain compounds. These are compounds which contain carbon atoms connected to each other in a ring. If same atoms are present in a compound, then it is known as homocyclic. Example is cyclopropane and cyclohexane. Heterocyclic, other than carbon atoms also present in it is, then it is known as heterocyclic compounds. Example are tetrahydrofuran. Aromatic compounds, the compounds which contain benzene other than and other ring related compounds. They are similar to alicyclic compounds. They are special type of compounds. It is further classified into two: benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Benzenoid aromatic compounds means these compounds obey Hückel rule. Example benzene and amine. Another one is naphthalene. Non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. These are compounds doesn't obey Hückel rule. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds means organic compounds in which one or more carbon atoms in the backbone of the molecule has replaced by other atoms like nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Example for heterocyclic aromatic compounds is furan, thiophene, pyridine. Thank you guys. I would like to end this session by saying a thought: life is chemistry. Dilute your sorrow, evaporate your worries, filter your mistake, boil your ego. You will get the crystal of happiness. I think this session was useful to you. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you.